Hey social media managers, and welcome to today's video in which I would like to show you one of many valuable use cases for using our one and only ZoomSphere chat. So, if you thought it was just for chatting with your colleagues or clients, let me show you what you have been missing. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you had multiple versions of your post and couldn't quite decide which one should make it to your profile? Let's be honest, we have all been there. And sending those posts to your colleagues one by one is just too much screenshotting. But don't worry, because ZoomSphere's got your back as always. To start, go to your scheduler and create all the different versions of your post. Doesn't matter if there are 2 or 20, just take your time to create some awesome content. Once they are ready, go to the top right menu and click on the checkbox icon. This feature allows you to select one or multiple posts and send them directly into ZoomSphere chat. So click on all the post versions you're considering to be that post and hit that Send to Chat button. A small window will pop up when clicking, enabling you to choose the chat where you would like to send these posts. Remember, you can select a group chat if you're open to team discussion, or if you prefer to get feedback from just one of your colleagues, you can even search for a direct message. Feel free to include a message with more info along with your post if you need to. Once everything is set up, click the Send button and your post will automatically appear in the selected chat. You can easily access them by clicking on the chat bubble in the left menu and selecting the conversation you have chosen. As you can see, all the posts along with your message are now visible in the chat. When you send the message, all the group chat members or the person in the direct message will receive a notification. If they have the ZoomSphere app installed, they will likely respond faster as this notification will pop up on their mobile devices. So, take it as a sign to download our app if you haven't done so already. However, if they access ZoomSphere from a desktop, they will notice a red dot next to the chat icon indicating a new message. So don't worry about them not seeing it. Once they open the chat, they can easily view all the sent posts without switching between applications or going to the scheduler. They can also comment on a specific post directly in the full post preview, change labels, make adjustments, or provide feedback on the entire set of posts within the chat. Easy, isn't it? And if you're sending these posts to multiple people, have fun and create a simple poll within the chat so they can vote for their favorite version. To do this, click on the poll icon below the text box, fill out the necessary details to specify your posts, send the completed poll to the chat and await the votes. I hope you found this specific use case and the whole video useful. If you would like to discover more tips and tricks within our ZoomSphere app, make sure to check out other videos on this channel and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get notified about our future videos. And if you still don't have a ZoomSphere account, visit zoomsphere.com or check our description for more info and a free trial. Have a nice day, bye!